Hey everybody, I'm Tim Brzezinski, and I want to cordially invite you to explore GeoGebra 3D Graphing Calculator and GeoGebra Augmented Reality within a YouTube live webinar coming up Tuesday, February 19th at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to work in the middle school geometry curricula, high school algebra, pre-calc algebra 2 curriculum, and even we'll dabble in AP calculus as well too. But many teachers, are often surprised to see that your middle school students even can work in GeoGebra's 3D graphing calculator and make so many rich discoveries involving, surfaces of revolution. What happens when I rotate a line about this line? Describe the surface that emerges, all right? They can make those discoveries within the 3D graphing calculator and model within the real world within GeoGebra Augmented Reality. Now, high school students, for example, who are learning about function transformations, shifts, up and down, stretches, squishes, compressions, that kind of thing, regardless of the function, they do so all the time in 2D in the coordinate plane, right? But they can also apply the same principles to parent surface functions in 3D. They so can. We're going to explore GeoGebra Augmented Reality on both iOS devices here and on non-iOS devices, like say, for example, right over here. Just to get a little sneak peek here, just to show you here, we can actually create here. Here I'm on an iPad. Not sure what I'm naming it yet, but this fish was created by rotating a cosine wave about the x-axis, 360 degrees. So we can also talk about modeling in mathematics and having students create their own 3D mathematical art. High school students can do this. They so can. And also in the here on the Acer Chrome Tablet 10 or on any Android phone, for example, here we could take, for example, we have the function f of x equals x rotated from 0 to 4, rotated 360 degrees about the x-axis, and we can also look at that in augmented reality quickly. All right, we're going to be doing a lot within that hour, all right, on Tuesday the 19th, so I hope you can join us. There we go. And we're going to open up a world of opportunity here to explore, and that your students can actually model the 3D world around them. Hope you can join us. The link to the thing is in the post.